A banner display starts with more than just the banner itself. It starts with the right hardware. At MainStreet Designs, we offer a complete line of bannerware mounting solutions designed to provide durability, flexibility, and long-term performance in a variety of environments. Our product lineup includes the FFLL, FF1, FF2, and FF3 bracket systems, engineered to securely display banners while accommodating different pole types, banner sizes, and project requirements. Whether you're outfitting a downtown streetscape, a college campus, business district, or municipal roadway, we can help identify the hardware solution that fits best for your application. For areas that experience higher winds, our spring-loaded bracket systems are designed to help absorb wind stress by allowing controlled movement, reducing strain on both the banner and the hardware. And because reliability matters, our bannerware hardware is backed by a full 8-year warranty, giving communities confidence that their investment is built to perform for years to come. MainStreet Designs provides dependable bannerware solutions that help communities display their banners with confidence. It's hardware designed to last, backed by a warranty that reflects our commitment to quality.